Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do this unicorn look. This is my first ever Halloween look tutorial and actually the first time doing this look, so it's kind of an adventure. So if you want to see how I did this, keep watching and I hope you enjoy. I'm going to do this glue thing with my eyebrows. Wow. Oh my god, it looks so crazy. I'm just gonna do just a little powder. I'm using Airspin and a little foundation brush. Throw in there just a little. I don't do a lot of special effects or costume makeup, so I haven't done this before. So let me start off with some primer. And I think I'm gonna do some illuminator. So I'm just doing Wet n Wild primer. This is one of my favorite. It's Wet n Wild Photo Focus, just the regular one, not the matte or the dewy one. Although the matte one seems really similar to this, not that much difference. This is Wet n Wild, the Mega Glow Halo Liquid Highlighter, and this is the shade Goddess Glow. We are looking super glowy and crazy. Right, I'm gonna put some color corrector on my under eye. This is NYX under eye corrector, is that what it's called? Dark Circle Concealer, shade Light. Okay, so I think I figured out what to do with this tag body art. Anyways, you have to get it wet. It's like a watercolor almost. Here's the horn. Oh, that just broke, which I was thinking about taking that off anyway. I'll just take it off. And I'm gonna just like attach it right here. I'm going to take my horn and a liquid latex. Latex on the bottom of it. Here goes nothing. This is probably fine. Probably fine. I'm just gonna press it down for a second, like see if it sticks. Let it dry. I think I can feel it getting sticky. It's not sticking. I might have to add some tissue. I think I put too much and it's taking a really long time to dry. Fanning it and pressing on it and see what happens. Oh, it's working! Yes! It's not very stable, but a tiny bit more right up in there. I need somebody to bring me Mexican food. I'm hoping I can get this done before lunch. I think I need to put more glue like this, maybe. Because it seems like that's why it's sticking better on the bottom, because it's like all around the edge. Oh, look! I said I didn't want to get it in my hair. Oh, God. It looks like boogers in my hair. I like some tissue to put around this horn. I'm just going to do little strips. Okay. Okay. I got the horn on. I just like layered the tissue all the way around. Okay, now I'm going to put the white on my face. So far so good. I'm going to use a better brush for the horn because I'm getting like white up on the horn. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, I got the NYX Ultimate. This orangey coral color right here. Blend just a little on the edge. This hot pink color and put it on top, lower down. Put that right in the crease, that dark purple. Mostly staying on the outer edge. And blend it a little. I don't have anything on this brush, I'm just blending. Just blending all of it. Starting with the crease and going up and out. I'm going to do more of the purple. Now I'm going to cut the crease with a little brush. This one, it's like a flat shader, but it's a little bit pointy and it's not too big. It's kind of small, medium size. It's a white concealer. Just paint it onto the brush. So I'm going to cut the crease like I'm holding it horizontal with the edge like that, so I can get like a sharp edge. I don't know if you guys can see, I'm kind of far away. And if you look up, it helps mark where you need to go with the crease. I'm doing it above that even a little because my eyes are just a tiny bit hooded. So I kind of go above my natural crease a little. My purple. Just do it right in there. Just on that outer corner. This is a Wet n Wild glitter I've had forever. It's in a different container, but it's Wet n Wild glitter. NYX glitter glue. I'm just gonna pat some of this glitter glue on top. Glitter. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. I want it very glittery. Yes, honey. A Tarte glitter liner. See, I just did like a line of it around on the edge of the cut crease. I'm gonna do it on the other eye. Okay, so I went ahead and blended up the pink all the way over my eyebrow. And now I'm going to use this Starfire Cosmetics powder highlighter. E6, I think is the shade. I'm not sure. Highlighter on the brow bone. And well, just over my brow. It's shimmery. It's pearlescent all over everything. Let me get this blender brush. Do you see that? It's shimmery. I'm gonna put it on my nose too. I also off camera added my wings, my eyeliner. Now I'm gonna go off camera and do my lashes. Okay, so I added my lashes. And now I'm going to do cream contour. This is the e.l.f. cream contour. That whole time I had to take a break and eat and take my medicine or I would be really sick. I'm going to really sculpt out some cheekbones. Do all the regular mouth and chin stuff I usually do. beauty blender. And my battery just died, so I had to switch out the battery. Now I'm going to use some concealer. I have this ColourPop one. It's really light, but it's going to work with this. I'm going to put it like up on my nose, all under my eye, out this way. And add just a little white. Blend it into this white up here like that. Put some on my chin. Prep Set Glow powder by Milani to set my whole face. It's very glowy for a powder. It's almost like a highlight, but kind of really subtle, like illuminating. I wouldn't normally put it all over my face, but for this, yes. Also, I want to add some jewels right here, so I'm going to use this Starfire Cosmetics glitter glue. I have these little jewels on Amazon. I'm just like brushing it on the back of the gem. I'm not even using tweezers. I'm going to put more, just like I did that one, all across here. I put jewels from big to small up here, like big, medium, medium, small. Because I had different size ones. And then I put the big one right here. A little pony palette, seems appropriate. It's ColourPop. And then this peachy shade. And connecting this where it's blended under here. And I'm only taking it like to the very center of my eye. I'm kind of blending it up into the blend of the eyeshadow. Okay, so I did highlight. And now I'm doing my lips. So I lined my lips with Lime Crime lip liner. And I'm going to use their Palette Sheets color Dragon Fruit. This one first, this Too Faced. It's in this, it's Happening. Now I'm going to take the plushies and put it in the center. Lip toppers from Tattoo Junkie. I haven't really used them yet. Okay, I'm going to use this white one because it has blue iridescent in it. A lollipop. Ooh, I like Shimmer Sparkle. Oh my gosh, you guys see this? Oh my god, I love it. This is the finished unicorn look. Like, yeah, I just got the wig on. I got this wig on Amazon. I really like it. So let me know if you liked this tutorial, if you like this Halloween unicorn look. Let me know what else you would like to see me do. And if you try this, let me know how it goes. I'd love to see. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. Pretty please. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.